Welcome back to another Computer Sluggish video. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to check out my social media channels. In today's video, I will be showing you how to automatically hide your taskbar in Windows 10. To start off with, first you need to go down to the bottom where your taskbar is, or if it's on the left or right hand side, it doesn't matter. You just need to right click on your taskbar. You now need to click on taskbar settings, and you will now see a setting that says automatically hide the taskbar in tablet mode and desktop mode. You can now go ahead and select the two options, and straight away, as you can see, my taskbar has now hidden. If I minimize my settings window, it will show the taskbar and then it will hide again. If I now hover down over the taskbar, it will show. And that is how easy it is to hide your taskbar in Windows 10. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more Computer Sluggish tutorials. Don't forget to check out my social channels.